The only tool missing from your belt, simPRO, total business software for the trades. When you choose simPRO, you get the digital power tools of the trades that make work, work. Founded by trades, for the trades. simPRO is your solution for scheduling, quoting, inventory tracking, and easy workflow management that grows with you. simPRO allows for all types of work, from service and maintenance to project-based jobs. Manage a job from lead to quote to service delivery and all the way through to invoicing. With full accounting integrations, avoid double entry and improve your data quality. With our direct supplier integrations, pricing and ordering can be easily completed directly in simPRO. Gain complete visibility of your job costing and margins in real time. With our dynamic scheduling, you can easily find the right resource with a click of a button. Connect the office to the field with simPRO Mobile. The two-way sync function keeps your field staff up to date with all the latest job information, sent directly to their mobile device. Gain full visibility of your business with advanced reporting. Work smarter, not harder. Join more than 200,000 users worldwide who trust simPRO to help them run and grow their business. We're here for you, so let's get to work.